In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view channel information on WhatsApp web using the latest updates. If you are curious about WhatsApp's new channel feature and want to explore it from your PC, this step-by-step guide is just what you need. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official WhatsApp website. If you are not already logged in, you'll need to scan the QR code using your mobile device. To do that, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Settings, tap on Linked Devices, and scan the QR code displayed on your browser screen. Once you are logged in, you'll notice the familiar WhatsApp layout. On the left hand side, where your chats appear, you'll now see a new channels icon. Click on that. This is your gateway to browse all the channels you follow or discover new ones. If you are following a lot of channels, don't worry, there's a search bar at the top of the channel list. Just type in the name of the channel you want to view and it will pop up right away. Click on the channel name to open its message feed. At the top of the chat window, you will see either the channel name or its profile picture. Click on either one. This will open the channel info panel on the right hand side of your screen. Here, you will be able to view the channel's description, admin details, any rules they have set, and even scroll through previous messages. It's a clean and organized way to get all the important details without switching between apps. If you manage or follow multiple channels, pin your most important ones using the star or bookmark feature on mobile. This helps keep your top channels easily accessible when you switch to WhatsApp web. That's it. Now you know how to view and explore WhatsApp channels info on your PC using WhatsApp web. Thank you for watching this video.